Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but sometimes I like to take some breaks, you know, get some motivation, spark it back up, and today I'm gonna take you guys along with me to bowl. We have my car sitting pretty. Nothing's changed, still looks the same. If you guys didn't know, I'm actually in a bowling league, and today we actually have a makeup game since we weren't actually able to make it last week. Thought it'd be cool to take you guys along, start the video off with some nice bowling. I'm not as good as you guys think. I only joined the league as an excuse to hang out with the homies, and then we'll do some stuff to my car. If you guys haven't checked out this video where I installed my dad's Nia front splitter, check it out. It's still in pretty good condition. He scrapes here and there because he still likes to drive straight instead of at an angle. All in all, I'm really surprised that it held up considering my dad drives like a normal human being. There's just this little tiny nick. I think that's from when he went to Vegas, but it still looks sick. Before we head to the bowling alley, I actually brought my car back into the shade. I have to show you guys something. It's pretty cool. We got a gift from Exotic Vinylz and my buddy Chris. Huge shout out to you, bro. I noticed that my buddy Chris's RCF seats had colored F's on them, and I was like, yo, how'd you get it green? Did you paint them? What did you do? He told me that he just put a vinyl over it, and I didn't even think that that would stick, but his is staying on and it's been going strong. Matches his roll cage, and he told me that his buddy makes Vinylz. They went ahead and made me some red F decals for my seats, so huge shout out to you. It even says headrest, so it should be the exact size. Should fit. We'll rock it for a bit, see how we like it. I know nothing else is really red, but I don't know. I wanted a little bit of a change, and I don't really put my head here, so I don't think that it wouldn't stay. Let's see how it looks. All right, what do you guys think? It looks pretty sick. You can kind of see the F's. My seats are just black, so it's kind of hard to see. I'm sure in certain lighting you'll be able to see it. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Huge thank you once again to Chris and Exotic Vinylz. I will be rocking this for a really long time, hopefully until they fall off, but they're really sticky, so that's a good sign. They also sent me a bunch of different little decals, some extra headrest stickers, push to start buttons, and just a bunch of carbon fiber looking decals. I love it. Thank you guys so much for sending these. I absolutely love it. Guys, hold up, this shit is reflective. No way, that's sick. Yo. No fucking way. Guys, I'm literally outside of the car. You shine a flashlight on it, you can see the F. That is insane. I don't have an RCF, but if you guys do, or if you have these seats, you got a cop. Gotta grab my bowling bag. You know, Nike everything. Let's get it. Just made it to the bowling alley. You know, I had to air out, park next to nobody. You guys didn't know Arnold's on my bowling team? Ooh, that hair. What up, boys? What up? Sheesh. Arnold with the new wheels again. Oh, tight fitment. How do you like these wheels?
Trash.
You don't like them better than your other wheels, huh? Why? Is it because they're not aggressive enough, or?
No. The reps.
Who cares? Damn, you look good in this lighting, bro. Oh, what the fuck is this? Fucking gang. Hey, that's some gang shit. So they give us about 10 minutes to practice. All the boys are gonna warm up. I'll pick it up. You wanna get one? All right, first warm-up shot into the gutter.
Nice car.
So my teammates like to take full advantage of practice, but for me, I like to just throw it one on each side, and then I kind of get a feel for how oily the lanes are, but it's also to not tire out my arm. Now I just wait, and then we can start bowling. All right, it's time to start. Alright, so I suck at these, but I'm gonna try to get it. Alright guys, I'm gonna be honest. First game I did trash. I got like 130.
This is the second game. They all did 196, which is way higher than my average.
If I get 150, that's like the bare minimum, that's normal, but anything above 170 is usually really good. Back home now. Like I said, I didn't do too hot. I'm not that great of a bowler. I think first game I got like a 136. Second game was 196. Third game was 167. 150, 160 average bowler, which means that I get 150 or 160 between 3 games or hopefully 5. But anyways, now we're gonna install this mod that I found on Etsy. So weird, a mod on Etsy? Never thought I'd be getting one of those. So the first thing is this little fuse box cover. You guys are probably wondering why I got that, because the car comes equipped with one. But ever since I installed air suspension, I don't know if you guys can see, the fuse box is obviously showing because I have those added fuses. I found this on Etsy. It's probably 3D printed, but it's pretty good quality. It has room for, you know, added fuses, wires, or extra ports if you are wiring directly into your fuse box. Let's see if this will fit. Excuse the mess, but all right, I have all this bullshit here and I want to see if it'll cover it. And there you have it. What do you guys know? It actually fits. Cleaned up really nicely. As you guys can see, it stays in place. Wow. That is one of the cool items I found on Etsy. I really wanted a fuse box cover. I really needed one for like the last year or two, ever since I went air suspension. I found this from the same seller, and I didn't think that this would be a great mod, but I also read online on the Facebook groups about this mod, and he also makes these. If you guys don't know what these little vent things are, apparently you can hook this into the little baby vent under your seat, and this helps with the cooling or the heating. So yeah, let's see how I install this. I'm guessing you have to go under here, so it's kind of hard to see. I'm guessing you go under your seat, and it's those 2 vents right there, and this hooks right into it. As you guys can see, I'm gonna have a lot of trouble since I have a roll cage now. It shouldn't be too bad. It should definitely just go right into that, and all the ventilated air will come up to the fan into the seat. All right guys, it's fully installed now. Bring the seat back. So difficult, I'm breaking a sweat. So the reason why I want to do this mod is because it's officially summer, and I figured this mod would help a lot of you guys out there. I'm sure you're in other states that are way hotter than California. Let's see if this really helps. So my seats were already kind of somewhat cold, and now let's see if I can feel it even more. Right now I have the cooled seats on. Oh, that feels good. Holy shit, this really works? What? Truly a great mod for a hot summer day. Wow, I wish I would have found out about this like 2 summers ago. That would have helped so much. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I will put the link to his Etsy shop in the description below. Cop these are freaking awesome. Look at this quality right here. This is great. Huge thank you to Hold My Beer Engineering. Thank you again. This is freaking awesome. I absolutely love it, as well as the fuse box cover. If you guys buy this, it does come in a pair. So that means you get the passenger side and the driver's side. I have the driver's side installed, and I'm gonna put this one in for all my passengers that want to use the vented seats. Oh, and guys, link in the description below for these amazing door puddle lamp lights. It's so clean. I love rocking the red outlined F Sport. Definitely goes with my car. Don't forget to use my promo code JNYT for a discount. These are amazing if you don't have these yet, and it's super good quality. You could see it during the day, and I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to install one last thing, but this is on my dad's car. Don't worry, it's nothing crazy. I'm taking a little hiatus from modding his car. We will be getting him side skirts eventually. Just gotta figure out which ones we wanna get him, but I don't really wanna rush it. He's in no rush. He loves the car the way it is now. But my buddy Rodney sent these over to me. He told me this a while back that he was gonna start making these by hand for all us 3IS owners. A while back, when I installed my Rolls-Royce Starlights, I also did a third brake light flashing mod, I guess. And it's basically this. It's all OEM, but I spliced in a module that made it so that it blinks when I brake. Before, you would have to splice. That's a thing of the past. Now, Rodney made these where you don't have to splice it. It's complete plug and play. It goes right in between the connection from the car to those lights. This is what it looks like. This is the exact module that Rodney told me to get years ago, and I had to splice it. He went ahead and pinned these connectors for you guys, and I know it's pretty simple and easy to do, but if you really don't want to do it, you can just buy it already made from him. All you do is you get this right here. You could use a flathead, but my nails are kind of long right now, so I think I might be able to do it. We got it undone. This is it. And this should go right in between this and that wire. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. That is freaking awesome. Let's see what my dad thinks. It's subtle, but I think he'll appreciate it. Do it again.
The blinking light.
Yeah. So people won't rear end you. I think it looks good with your taillights too.
Oh.
Just don't brake a lot in traffic, because people are gonna get blinded. You like it?
What did you have there before? Nothing.
It was just flat.
Oh.
Now it does like the strobe. Just kidding.
That's it?
Now we're twins. That's it! What are you talking about? That's it. We can't keep spending a lot of money on your car, even though everything was free. This is gonna be the first time my dad's seen what I did to my taillights. He's probably gonna hate it. I wrapped the middle black to match my car, so I split it into 2 different taillights.
Why you don't have it the whole thing?
I don't know.
It looks better that way.
It looks better without it or with it?
With it.
She said, why did you get those taillights if you're just gonna take off the middle?
Okay, why don't you turn the car and you look at the 2 cars?
I did, I have seen it. I like both of them, but I like this for right now because it's just a wrap. I could just take it off. It's not like I painted it. But some people really don't like the middle bar, so I told them this is a way to delete it. Just find wrap that matches your car color, and that's it.
It's different. Cái này mới gắn vô hả?
Yeah, mine's
yours before is different, right?
Yeah, he gave me a red one because my car's black and red. Yours is good too. Yours is the best one. It's white, but it has like blue. Guys, my dad hasn't seen this in person. I want to see what he thinks. Oh, what?
Shit.
You don't like it?
Oh, looks nice. But the cop gonna give you a ticket for this when you're
I'm not gonna drive with this. Dad, I put this on a month and a half ago. I've only used it like 3 times.
Oh man. No, it looks good on the freeway. Yeah. It looks good on the freeway. For sure.
Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this mod. Thank you for being in the video again.
Okay, thank you.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was nothing really crazy, but it was just to show you guys a mod that I thought was really useful. Like, out of all the mods that I've done for my car, they're kind of just more for cosmetics, but this mod was really practical. It's super affordable and it actually really helps in the heat. And I can't wait to start using it because honestly, I never use my vented seats. I got this car with that option because I wanted to use it on the summer days, but it didn't even help. If anything, it made me sweat more, but now it works fine. This mod fixes Lexus's vented seat flaw. Honestly, my seats already got really hot with the butt warmers. Now with that mod, it's gonna be freaking toasty. I cannot wait. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, I will be posting more soon. I have a mod that I've been wanting for years, and I'm just waiting to find that one missing piece, and I'll be able to install it. I think it'll be a sick mod. Leave a comment down below if you can try and guess what it is. No, it is not the supercharger, but that will be coming soon too. Supra, we should be starting it soon. I know I always say that, but literally motor has been done. We just need to get my buddy's client's car out of his garage so we can fit the Supra in and drop the motor in. I think that is going to be a fresh new start. Channel is going to be going back up with a lot of content because I really want to start something new. Not saying that I won't mod this car anymore, but everything that I want to do that's left for this car is really expensive. With the Supra, at least I could do things like tint or, you know, cheap wheels, then more expensive wheels, suspension, blow off valve. I just can't wait. It's gonna be stick shift, it's gonna be fun, gonna burn a lot of clutches. I actually really miss you guys and I hope to see you again soon. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.